Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick video, we have a cool trick to share with you. We'll show you how to create a folder without a name. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually create a folder without no visible name. It's a fun and quick trick that can add a touch of creativity to your file organization. Let's jump right in. Go to the location where you want to create the folder, whether it's on your desktop or within any other directory. Now right-click on the location and select New Folder from the context menu, just like you would when creating a regular folder. Here comes the exciting part. After selecting New Folder, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, type 0116 using the numeric keypad. Once you realize the Alt key, you will see that the folder has been created without any visible name. It's a folder with an invisible or blank name. And there you have it. You know the secret to creating a folder without a name. It's a fun trick to experiment with and impress your friends or colleagues. Remember, using folder without names may not be suitable for all situations, so use this trick wisely and consider readability in your file organization. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun tech tips and creative hacks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. We love hearing from you and are always here to help.